Food security, the state in which all people have access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food to maintain a healthy life, is influenced by a multitude of factors. These factors range from environmental and economic conditions to social and political dynamics. The complexity of food security arises because it is not only about the availability of food but also about people's ability to access and utilize that food effectively. Changes in climate, population growth, economic instability, and conflict can all disrupt food production and distribution, leading to shortages and increased prices. Additionally, factors such as poor infrastructure, food wastage, and unequal distribution exacerbate food insecurity, particularly in vulnerable regions. Overfishing is one of the critical factors contributing to the decline in fish stocks, which directly impacts food security, particularly in communities that rely heavily on fish as a primary source of protein. Overfishing occurs when fish are harvested from bodies of water at a rate faster than they can reproduce and replenish their populations. This unsustainable practice is driven by high demand for seafood, inadequate regulation, and the use of advanced fishing technologies that enable large-scale catches. As fish stocks dwindle, the ecosystems they support become unbalanced, leading to the collapse of fish populations and the loss of biodiversity. Moreover, overfishing can result in the depletion of key species, which affects the entire food chain and diminishes the long-term availability of seafood, making it increasingly difficult to meet the global demand for fish products. In response to these challenges, making food production more efficient has become a crucial strategy for enhancing food security. One way to achieve this is by improving agricultural practices to increase crop yields without expanding land use, which can contribute to deforestation and environmental degradation. Techniques such as precision farming, which utilizes technology to monitor and manage crop growth more effectively, can optimize resource use, such as water and fertilizers, reducing waste and increasing productivity. Additionally, the adoption of genetically modified crops that are resistant to pests and diseases, or that can thrive in adverse environmental conditions, can also boost food production. In livestock farming, improving the efficiency of food conversion, the process by which animals convert feed into body mass, can help produce more food with fewer resources. This can be achieved through better breeding practices, improved feed quality, and enhanced animal welfare conditions, which collectively result in healthier animals that grow more efficiently. Reducing food waste is another critical aspect of making food production more efficient. It is estimated that a significant portion of food produced globally is lost or wasted before it reaches consumers. By improving storage facilities, transportation, and distribution systems, particularly in developing countries, the amount of food lost due to spoilage and damage can be significantly reduced. Sustainable fishing practices, such as establishing marine protected areas, enforcing fishing quotas, and promoting aquaculture, are essential to conserving fish stocks and ensuring that fishing remains a viable source of food. Aquaculture, or fish farming, can help meet the growing demand for seafood while reducing pressure on wild fish populations. However, it must be managed carefully to avoid environmental impacts, such as water pollution and the spread of diseases among farmed fish. In conclusion, food security is a multifaceted issue influenced by a range of factors, including environmental conditions, population dynamics, and economic practices. Overfishing is a significant threat to fish stocks and food security, but sustainable practices can mitigate these effects. Making food production more efficient through advanced farming techniques, reducing waste, and adopting sustainable resource management practices is crucial to ensuring that the global population has access to sufficient and nutritious food now and in the future.